What is the time now?
The time is 10:19 p.m.
What is the current temperature in Kolkata?
Right now, in Kolkata, West Bengal, it's 27 degrees Celsius.
Guys, I know you can understand, you can recognize the voice. Yes, this is the voice of Alexa, and I'm using my computer with Alexa. So you can perform few tasks with your computer by using Alexa. Especially you can read Kindle books or ebooks from Amazon, you can play music and do much more tasks. So today I'm going to share with you how you can use Alexa on your Windows. Hi, this is your tech assistant Ratul and you are watching Accessible Computing YouTube channel. Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. Do like, share, subscribe for more videos and join our Telegram channel for more updates. So friends, you can download the Alexa application from Microsoft Store. So if you want to download, then just go to Microsoft Store, search Alexa, Alexa, and then you'll get a button to download this, or get button. So click on get button, which will be able to which will take you to the download options. You can download directly to your PC. After that, just open the application. After opening the application, you have to use tab and shift tab key to move between the options. Press tab key, click on next button, then you need to sign in with your Amazon email and password. And after that, you need to just follow the on-screen instruction. There is some instruction, you can skip all the instruction. There is nothing to set up, but you have to give the permission to use your microphone to Alexa, and after that Alexa is ready to use. But remember friends, if you have any doubts or any problem regarding, suppose if you go to the Alexa application but your focus is not moving, just press enter once, then it will start moving. So sometimes it is happening. You can say it's 85% accessible and it's very flexible for us, but there is still 10 to 15% inaccessibility is there, though I hope Amazon will fix it as early as possible. So this is all about the configuration of Alexa. Still, if you have any doubts, you can join our Telegram group. The links is given in the description below. We are definitely help you out. Now I am going to show you how you can access Amazon Alexa. So if I press tab here,
do not disturb toggle switch button.
So this is the do not disturb option. So if you turn it on, then do not disturb options will be on. Then
hands-free toggle switch button.
So hands-free is still not working properly, though you may try. Hands-free means you can just say that okay Google, like okay Google, you can say here say Alexa. After saying the say Alexa, the beep sound will be happen, or there will be a beep sound. After that, you need to give the instruction, or if you have any doubts, any questions, you can ask, and after that another beep sound, then the Alexa will answer. I will show you. Then I'm pressing tab.
List home 1 of 9.
Then the options home,
music not selected,
music,
2 of smart home not selected,
smart
9
home.
of 9.
Smart home is not for us right now.
Communicate not selected,
Communicate.
3 of 9. List not selected, 4
Lists.
of 9. Reminders not selected, 5
Reminders.
of 9.
So if you want to try one by one, you can try.
Alarms not selected, 6 of 9.
Alarms. So alarms also available.
Select show mode, 3 of 3.
Show mode.
Button. List settings help and show mode, 3 of button. Add a push to talk, do not disturb.
Push to talk. So we use push to talk feature to give the instruction, because the hands-free button is not working properly, at least in my case. So now let me give some instruction. So let me press spacebar, and after the beeping sound, I will tell the Alexa to I will instruct the Alexa. Who are you?
Alexa.
Hey there. Glad you stopped by.
Stop. Now this is a very rare conversation. So let's conversation with Alexa. How are you?
Better than I was a minute ago. Because you asked.
What are you feeling today?
Life's good here in the cloud.
Where do you live?
I live in the cloud. I guess that makes me Cloudian.
Who is your boss? Who is your friend?
I try to be friends with everyone.
Do you love me? Do you love me?
I like you as a friend.
I love you. I love you.
That's nice of you to say.
Do you marry me?
Before I answer that question, let us see how well you know me. I'll ask you 3 questions and your answer will help me make a decision. Here we go. Here's an easy one. What is my favorite vegetable?
Brinjal.
That's the wrong answer. I like pumpkin and potatoes. You should be able to answer this. Who is my favorite cricketer?
Sachin Tendulkar.
You got it. That's the right answer. So, tell me, what's my favorite color?
Ultraviolet.
Very impressive. That's the right answer. I think you know me a little, but we still need time to get to know each other better. In the meantime, I'm trying to understand love through some stories. If you'd also like to hear them, just say, tell me a love story.
What is your favorite food?
While I appreciate great food, my good taste is better reflected in the company I keep.
Can you speak Hindi?
Sorry, I don't speak English or Hindi.
What it says, it's don't speak Hindi or English. I don't know, so why it's because it's I think it's not completed. I mean, it's not working so much well, but still. Okay, so let me set a reminder. Okay, now it's time is
10:28 p.m.
10:28. So we will give a reminder on
10:29 p.m.
10:30. Okay. Set a reminder.
What's the reminder for?
You should sleep now.
When should I remind you?
10:30 p.m. today.
Okay, I'll create a reminder at 10:30 p.m.
So our reminders are now created. So let's see it's working or not. So also we're going to try to set a new alarm. Set a new alarm.
Desert Rose by Sting, Gordon Sumner, Sheb Mami, Mark Eldridge, Moulay Ahmed.
Set a new alarm.
Alarm for what time?
10:32 p.m. today.
Alarm set for 10:32 p.m. This is a reminder. Should sleep now.
Okay, so reminder is now, Alexa is reminding us to do the task. So
This is a reminder. Should sleep now.
okay, so I'm saying stop. Okay, so Alexa, if you have any email, you can
10:30 p.m.
you can tell your Alexa that in this time please remind me to send emails or like this. So if you wish, you can use that feature. This is a very very amazing feature. And one more feature we will discuss in this video is how you can read your Kindle books or ebooks from Amazon Kindle library. So this is very very exclusive and very very interesting feature which I have tested for. So still, I think you are enjoying this video. Still, the video is informative. The video is quite it's quite funny in entertainment. It's related to technology, related to accessibility. Everything is there. Wow, the alarm is playing. Right. Stop the alarm. So you can also delete your reminder. Suppose I'm just giving a reminder. Set a reminder on 11 p.m. today.
What's the reminder for?
Good night, it's bedtime.
Okay, I'll create a reminder at 11 p.m.
So now the reminder is now created. So if I want to delete, just I say delete my reminders.
Good night, it's bedtime today at 11 p.m. cancelled.
Right? Now let's come to read the ebooks. Read my Kindle ebooks.
Resuming your most recent book, Think and Grow Rich. The secret was brought to my attention by Andrew Carnegie more than a quarter of a century ago. The canny.
Read faster.
Reading at 1 1/4 speed. In every chapter of this book, mention has been made of the money-making secret which has made fortunes for more than 500 exceedingly wealthy men whom I have carefully
Read faster.
Reading at 1 1/2 speed. Author's preface. In every chapter of this book, mention has been made of the money-making secret which has made fortunes for more than 500 exceedingly wealthy.
Read slower.
Reading at 1 1/4 speed. Author's preface. In every chapter of the
Read slower.
Reading at normal speed. Author's preface. In every chapter of this book, mention has been made of the money-making secret which has.
Read from beginning. Read from beginning.
Author's preface. In every chapter of this book, mention has been.
What are the books in my Kindle library?
Here's a book from your Kindle library that I can read to you. Think and Grow Rich. For a complete list, go to the Kindle app, made of the money-making secret which has made fortunes for more than
Stop
500.
reading. Good night.
Good night. I hope you get your 8 hours of relaxing and energizing sleep.
So this is all about Amazon Alexa, and you also, if you are a low vision or if you see my screen, if you can see my screen, you can also see the changes of my screens. So that's very amazing. You can spend times, you can enjoy with your Alexa, you can do all the stuffs whatever you want. You don't need to purchase any Amazon device for doing some basic stuffs. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. This video is informative, this video is enjoyable. If yes, then definitely press the like button, share button, and see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, take care. This is Ratul signing off.